Many people treat their LinkedIn profile like a dusty old resume that they only update when they're looking for a new job or their next client. This is a massive missed opportunity whether you're a business coach, consultant, entrepreneur, or looking for your next career pick. Your LinkedIn profile is your 24/7 website, your digital billboard, your business card, and something you shouldn't neglect. So, in today's video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to share my own LinkedIn profile and hopefully inspire you to update and optimize yours. So, let's get started. Let me share my profile with you. And while I'm doing that, let me introduce myself. My name is Naina Kaputi. I'm a LinkedIn coach and consultant, and I'm also the founder of the Expat Woman. And here is my profile. So, what I really like about the LinkedIn profile is it's free. I do have LinkedIn Premium, but we're not going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about all the features you can get with a free LinkedIn profile. Okay, so you see the five banners right at the top. I have this because I have LinkedIn Premium, but this is not necessary. You can just have one banner, but don't use a generic scene like maybe a seaside or some buildings unless you're a realtor or you're a tour guide. Use a banner that showcases your expertise, what you want to be known for, what problem you solve for someone, and how can they connect with you. Now, you don't need to have all that in your banner. You can just have, like, here I have a tagline. Okay, my banner is going really quickly, and there's one thing is I can't pause it, but it really should showcase your expertise, what you want to be known for. So think about that. Think about when you're driving down a freeway or highway and you see this billboard. If you just see a billboard with a photograph of buildings and it doesn't say anything, it's not going to draw your attention. You know, when I was driving around in Las Vegas, there were these billboards all over that had advertisements of lawyers who provide who provide legal aid when you meet with an accident, because I think people drive really rashly in Las Vegas. There must be a lot of car accidents. Thankfully we were safe. And but tells you, it's a photograph of the lawyer, tells you who they help, what they do, their contact details. So think of it like that. You don't need to have your contact details in your banner. And you want to keep this in mind for your LinkedIn profile. You want to always keep in mind, who am I helping, how am I helping them, what problem am I solving for them, and what is something unique about me that makes me the best person to really help them solve that problem. You want to showcase it in your banner, you want to showcase it here in your headline. As you can see below my name, I have my what I do, founder and CEO, the Expat Woman, building the world's leading community for women making bold moves abroad. I have a community of 50,000 plus. I'm also a LinkedIn and personal brand strategist, speaker, and YouTuber. Read my about section for more information. You have about 250 uh, uh, characters for, I'm sorry, is it 250 characters or 250 words? I'll have to check that. But yeah, I think it's 250. Yeah, whatever. I'll share that in the description because right now my mind's drawing a little bit of a blank. But you want to really flesh it out in your headline, especially if you say you're a software engineer in a company, you say software engineer so and so, but maybe there's something that makes you unique. Or, like in my case, I'm the founder of the Expat Woman, but I'm also adding that additional tagline, building the world's leading community for women making bold moves abroad. So it's telling people who my target audience is, right? And then I have a second business. I'm also a LinkedIn coach and I help people with their personal brand. So I share that as well. Okay, and then I have contact information. You want to make sure you have contact information, how people can connect with you. If you have websites, I also have my birthday listed. You want to make sure you have the city that you're based in, especially if you are either looking for a job in that city or you are looking for clients in that city. Okay, then you have an about section. Again, people just copy and paste their resume in the about section. I did that too for the longest time, but now I've realized the power of the about section, and I even, have it in my headline saying, scroll down to the about section to learn more about me. One tip I want to share with you when you're doing your about section is make sure you have spaces between your between the different paragraphs in the about section. So it's not just one block of text. Don't write it in the third person, write it in the first person. And you want to start with a good hook or a tagline. So you don't want to put, all your credentials or your certifications. You have other sections in your about section to add that. You want to really hook people in because most people will only spend a couple of seconds on your profile. So you want to hook them in with your banner, your headline, and then when they come to your about section, the first 2 or 3 sentences, you want them to say, oh, I really want to know more about this person. I want to connect with them. I want to hire them. I want to work with them. Recently, one of my members, so I have my other business, the Expat Woman, I have a membership, and one of the members told me after reading my about section, she decided to join the Expat Woman membership because it really spoke to her. So I even have the Expat Woman membership details here. And then I also talk about how I help people with their LinkedIn, their personal brand, and YouTube. And then, why me, and so all that information. So about section is really important. I just wanted to add that I will be hosting a LinkedIn profile optimization workshop on August 11th at 9 a.m. PST. I will share a link in the description of this video. The early bird is $39 and then regular is $49. So if you're watching this video and before the early bird date expires, definitely sign up for the workshop, or you can buy the regular price. It's still worth it. It'll be an interactive workshop, and I will walk you through the different areas of LinkedIn. But since it's an interactive working workshop, we'll also work together on our headlines, on what we want in our banner, in our about section. So you leave with a optimized profile that really showcases what you want to be known for and who you're helping. Okay. The other section is your featured section. I use it to really promote my business. In fact, I need to remove this right now, the Expat Women Summit, because that's done. But I have my membership, I have my newsletter, I have my YouTube channel. So you can change these around. It could be posts, it could be a link to a certification, and it's dynamic. You can change it as often as you want. I will be doing a separate video about how to create your featured section, what to put in it. So stay tuned for that. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, so you get regular updates and notifications when I add new videos. Okay, and then you want to have your experience section. You want to share a little bit about the company that you work for or that you run, so people know what it is, and you can say what you do at that company, what you've done, your achievements. So instead of putting all that in the about section, save it for the experience section. If you have worked for a company, make sure you include that. If you have your own business, make sure you have a company page. Don't This logo on the left shows that I have a company page. I created a company page. So if you don't have a company page yet, create it and link it to your experience section. I also provide coaching, one-on-one coaching and consultant to help you with your LinkedIn profile, with creating a company page, etc. All right. And then you want to add all the relevant skills. You want to add your education, and skills. You want to make sure they're relevant to what you want to be known for. So if there are skills that are outdated, remove them. Don't put them in. Like, some people still have skills like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. I mean, those are all a given unless you teach people workshops. I don't even know if people teach workshops or coaching and how to use Word and Excel. I don't even know if they exist anymore. I'm just giving, I know when I first created my profile on LinkedIn, I had Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel as part of that. I joined LinkedIn in 2007, so I've been on LinkedIn for ages. And in those days, as I may have mentioned earlier, we just uploaded our resume to LinkedIn, and skills included Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc. Make sure you give and receive recommendations. This again showcases your expertise. I've not been really the best in this. I've worked with so many women with their LinkedIn profiles. They're, with helping them with the expat woman making bold moves abroad, helping them speak at events, etc. Add your honors and awards here. Languages. I don't know why it says Italian elementary proficiency. I need to change that. I think I was using Duolingo to learn Italian for a little bit, and I know that LinkedIn and Duolingo had some kind of partnership. Maybe they added that, and yeah, so that is your profile. I would definitely encourage you to update it, optimize it. Look at my profile. You can copy what I've done. I mean, don't copy the exact stuff. If you do something similar to me, but just flesh it out. Just think about, if someone comes to my profile, are they going to know what I do? Are they going to be excited by what I have to offer? Are they going to want to hire me? Is it very clear? Maybe show your profile to people who don't really know what you do and ask them for feedback. You can share a link to your profile in the comments of this video. Let me know when you updated it. As I said before, I will share a link to my upcoming workshop on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile to get seen, get known, get the opportunities you want. And I will also share links to some other videos I've done around the LinkedIn profile. All right. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, and I will see you soon.